Picture this: unlimited shopping possibilities, unbeatable prices, and unmatched convenience all in one place. Sounds too perfect? Welcome to Temu, where this fantasy is your everyday reality. Gone are days of compromising between what you want and can afford. Temu has democratized shopping, making amazing products accessible without premium price tags, with categories spanning fashion, electronics, home and garden, beauty, sports, toys, and more. You're spoiled for choice. The platform's intelligent search and recommendations help you discover exactly what you need, often introducing products you didn't know existed but can't live without. What sets Temu apart is their transparency. Detailed descriptions, real customer reviews, and high-resolution images ensure you know what you're getting. Plus, with regular flash sales and limited-time offers, every visit is an adventure in savings. The mobile app makes shopping on the go easy, and secure checkout protects your information. Excited to start your Temu journey? Head to description and comments for the link and exclusive coupon code. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for discovering best online shopping destinations.